Jonathan, well, we are out here. We're talking fashion this morning. Last week was Single Working Women's Week. That's a mouthful. But Jessie Artiga is here today to help us kind of spruce up our wardrobe and help change how people look at us and what we're wearing to the various events throughout our day. Jessie, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Hey, we're excited about this. Always looking at ways to spruce up our wardrobe. You brought some lovely models who tell us how to get our day started.
So we are looking at Linda first, and she is wearing this adorable from now boarding to the boardroom look. She's got a wrinkle-free little kind of jersey knit dress on. We've got a scarf over the top. She's wearing the scarf a lot like a vest because we have it belted. And it's a great flying accessory if she's got to fly to a business meeting out of town. It's great because she can pull it down around her arms if she gets chilly on the plane. When she gets there, she's going to add her little blazer that's a bright pop of color, and then she's ready to go to her meeting.
All right, so from the plane to the boardroom, or either or, she is ready, good to go. Our next model is stepping up. I like the scarf.
Yes, she's wearing the scarf. This is a little silk scarf. It's from the Brooks Brothers outlet, the whole outfit is. And she's wearing the scarf a lot like a necklace, which is kind of a fun trend. She's going to remove that for her transition, and she's going to tie it around her bag. See if she can get that done there, and then she's going to take off her blazer, and she's ready to go to more casual errands. She could run to a PTA meeting, a soccer game, you name it. She's got her sleeves rolled up and she's ready to go.
And our third model stepping forward, where is she going?
She is going to happy hour. She's got the fun after work event, and she's got some black trousers on and the silk blouse, all from the Saks outlet, brand new Saks Fifth Avenue outlet. And she is going to throw on some skinny jeans, and she is ready to grab happy hour with some friends. She switches out the bag and she's ready to go.
And she can give me those heels. All items can be found out at the Legends. Thank you so much, Jessie. And models, have a great morning, and now you know how to dress. We're back after this.